Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. This episode I'm going to make a diamond head cocktail, and for Appies with Chappy by the lake I'm going to do a Honolulu Hammer and a Hawaiian treat. Coming right up on Chappy's Tiki Bar.
Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy. With me as always is Mookie. We got a great show coming up. Today I'm going to make a diamond head cocktail. It was invented by one of the world's most famous bartenders, Harry Yee. He worked at the Hilton Hawaiian Village right on Waikiki Beach. He also was the inventor of Blue Hawaii and numerous other tropical cocktails. And of course, the Diamond Head cocktail is named after one of Hawaii's most famous landmarks. And I'm going to use a tiki mug I actually got on Waikiki Beach. I got it from Tiki's Grill and Bar. Diamond Head cocktail, very easy to make. We're going to go an ounce of gin, an ounce of apricot brandy, and the rest pineapple juice. And that's a Diamond Head cocktail. Coming up next, Appies with Chappy by the lake.
Appies with Chappy by the lake.
Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. So for my appetizer, I have a Spam and bacon slider on a Hawaiian bun. See here how I made it.
All right, for Appies with Chappy by the lake, we're going very Hawaiian. These are some Hawaiian buns. All right, we'll see if I can get that disgusting noise. There it is. And if you think it looks disgusting, you're right, but I am going to make it delicious. I promise you. A bunch of Hawaiian people can't be wrong. Alright, we'll just slice it up sort of like the burger size for my Hawaiian Spam sliders. Might even get a little piece for Mookie. And again, right now it just looks like there's a sort of a gelatin type glaze around it, and it's quite disgusting. But once we get it crisped up, it's going to be delicious. All right, I decided to run a little audible. I threw some bacon in there, mostly just to get that bacon fat to crisp up the Spam, and then we're going to get that nice bacon flavor added to Spam. I think you can actually buy bacon flavored Spam nowadays, but this is going to be good, I promise.
All right, so trust me, these are good. To go with my appetizer, we need a drink. Today I'm making a shooter. I dug deep into my bartender's guide. I'm going to stick with the Hawaiian theme with the Spam and the Hawaiian buns. But I will do a shooter. It is called a Honolulu Hammer. So I got my shot glass. It calls for 1 1/2 ounce of vodka, 1/2 ounce of amaretto, and a splash of pineapple juice. I think somebody drank my Grey Goose, so I'm going to substitute some pineapple rum. So instead of 1 1/2 ounce of vodka, we'll go 1 1/2 ounce of pineapple rum. And then a 1/2 ounce of amaretto. I might do a 1/4 ounce just so it doesn't get too overpowering. Just a little bit. And a splash of pineapple.
And that is a Honolulu Hammer to go with my Spam sliders. Give it a try. Ugh. Not bad. Everything was warm, even the pineapple juice. I would highly recommend you chill your pineapple juice and even put the booze in the freezer for a little bit. It might go down a little bit smoother. All right, so thanks for joining me on Appies with Chappy by the lake. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says, life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.